Hello, Dr. Michelle Jorgensen, Living with Dr. Michelle here. And I'm a little wet and a little chilly this morning because I am in Sequim, Washington, which is clear up at the top of the Olympic Peninsula. This is actually supposedly the driest place on this peninsula, but it's still raining on us today. We are here at Red Hawk Stables, and it's been an amazing morning. We've actually been out on a trail ride all the way up through these beautiful towering pines, and just loved our host here, Elizabeth, sharing with us a little bit about what she's doing here on her farm. So it's been a funny morning as my husband was out getting the trailer ready this morning. He said that first of all, he had geese telling him to stop doing whatever he was doing. Then he had the horses coming up to eat, and then the chickens coming behind to eat whatever they left behind. Then there were a few dogs coming out, and then a pig rounds the corner and starts talking to him. There's a goat over here, and it's just kind of a wild and crazy thing, but I love it. I love the combination of the animals and nature and everything. And as we went on our trail ride, I was asking Elizabeth a little bit about what she's doing here. And one interesting piece that really goes a lot with self-sufficient living is that she's actually renting out the upper level of her home. She's living in the lower level, which isn't even finished. She said it's drywall and she's got a blanket closing over the door, but she's renting out the top of it because those renters help her pay the mortgage on this so that she's able to continually have this beautiful property and this place that she's able to share with others and do trail rides. So I really think that that's an interesting point of self-sufficiency, is that it doesn't have to be done one way. There's a lot of different ways to do it and a lot of different ways to make what you want to do possible. If you want to have a farm, then you find some others that want to come and help you with it, or want to help and, share room and board or whatever it might be. And I just love that idea. I love that story. So again, here from Red Hawk Stables up in Sequim, Washington, I have a friend right here. It's just been bringing me, this is Axel. He's been bringing me things to throw him the entire time I've been doing the video, which is awesome. So we will check in again tomorrow on our trip.